Oh my goodness, you VeChain holders. Look at what VET has done. It is one of the most positive coins right now. It's leading Bitcoin in its break. It broke first. Bitcoin seems to be coming out of its downward channel now, and I'll get more into that in a second. But look at this. We're about to challenge 0.037 with VET. It has made a fantastic move over these last few days, and I tell you, when I happened to open the charts and saw this candle, which I think for me was Sunday night, and this candle was big red at that point, it was before the price had been eaten back up. I had some big concerns about VET, not long term at all, not talking long term, but for the short term and the few days after or a week or two after, I was like, oh, surely we're not going to start falling and start looking at these highs again that would act as support, which is kind of what I was like, I really don't want to see price falling down here and then having to work its way back up. I had some concerns that that's what was going to happen. But since then, excuse me, since then, price has gone almost skyrocket like it had been over the past month or two. And you could not ask for a better looking chart than VeChain. I mean, this is fantastic. I am a big holder of VET. It's my biggest holding in crypto. I've held it for going on a year and a half. I really like its potential. And so I'm very excited to see this. Let me show you what we were seeing on the chart. Okay. Well, let me just go back to the daily. You can already see this right here. You can see the downward wedge that I was concerned we were going to stay in and follow. What is this line right here? Well, I'm glad you asked. That happens to be a long-term trend line starting back in May of 2022, August 22, and on down. Back then, just a few weeks ago, I was saying, hey, we need to challenge that. Guys, we have broken far beyond that. That's around 0.30 or 0.03. We're way beyond that now. In fact, we're to a point where I could even draw a line. Nope, we've already passed it. I can even draw a line that is the high right there where we started. Look at that. We're beyond that now. So how far might VET go over the next little while? Well, we need to find us some new highs. Isn't that a fun thing to do with crypto? Let me pop a line right here, which is going to be the bottom of this wick. I'll pop another line right here, which is the bottom of this wick. That's probably far enough. That's 0.042. Look for these levels next. One thing that makes me so excited about VET is that it's leading the other coins. Like if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin was in a similar downward channel, and Bitcoin just broke today. And boy, do we want to see Bitcoin go up, because Bitcoin, of course, is in many ways the crypto market. We want Bitcoin to go up and let these other cryptos follow or lead, as is the case with VET. Seems to be leading Bitcoin, but we want to see Bitcoin go on up and challenge 48,000, which it could do over the next few weeks or month. How high will VET go if Bitcoin can reach 48,000? There's absolutely no telling because of its strength. Now, ADA is another one of the coins I like, and it hasn't moved yet. Bitcoin's kind of leading it. Bitcoin's already made it, started attacking its most recent highs. ADA hasn't. But look at VET. It's like, never mind, I'm just going to go ahead and do it anyway. And so if Bitcoin can move up to 48,000, which is what I'm seeing, I mean, it's challenging, Bitcoin's challenging 44,000 now. If Bitcoin can make it up to 48,000 in the next month, which I'm hearing a lot of people say it's going to do in January, we're going to be looking good with that. So y'all hang on for the ride. I think if you've had patience, I think we're in for some fun on VeChain. Come back. I look at this price often because, like I said, it's one of my biggest crypto holdings. So I will definitely keep you updated. Be sure to come back. Let's enjoy this run up together.